Let's dive in. Number 1. Your brain doesn't store memories like files on a hard drive. Instead, it rebuilds them every time you recall them, like repainting a scene from scratch. This means every time you remember something, you're actually just remembering your last version of it. And with each replay, the details get fuzzier. Sometimes your brain fills in gaps with pure imagination. That embarrassing story you swear happened exactly like that, there's a good chance it didn't, but your brain believes it anyway. Number 2. Have you ever flinched while watching someone else get hurt? That's not just empathy. It's neural mirroring. Your brain activates the same pain centers when you see someone stub their toe, as if it happened to you. It can't tell the difference between observing pain and feeling it. This is why emotional movies can feel physically exhausting, and why secondhand embarrassment is so real. Your brain lives in a world where thoughts and experiences blur together. Number 3. You're not as rational as you think. Your brain constantly filters reality to protect your ego. This is called self-serving bias. You tend to blame failure on external reasons. I was tired. It wasn't fair. But when you succeed, that's all you. Your brain does this to maintain your confidence and motivation, even if it means bending the truth a little. It's not lying to you out of malice. It's trying to help you survive. Number 4. Scientists have shown that your brain decides to take action a full 7 seconds before you're consciously aware of making that decision. In other words, you're not choosing what to do. You're just becoming aware of it after your brain has already decided. You feel like the driver, but most of the time, you're just along for the ride. Number 5. This is called confirmation bias, and it's one of the most powerful mental blind spots you have. Your brain filters out any information that disagrees with what you already believe. It magnifies the evidence that supports your views and quietly deletes anything that doesn't. This is why people can watch the same event and come away with completely different versions of the truth. Your brain isn't searching for truth. It's searching for consistency. Number 6. Ever notice how songs grow on you the more you hear them? That's called the mere exposure effect. Your brain starts to prefer things just because they feel familiar, even if they weren't that great the first time. This is why you get attached to routines, old habits, even toxic people. If it feels familiar, your brain tells you this must be safe, and safe means survival, even if it hurts. Number 7. Your brain is selective about what it lets you remember, especially after trauma. It can bury painful memories or distort them to make them easier to live with. This defense mechanism is known as dissociation or repression. But here's the twist. Just because it's buried doesn't mean it's gone. It can still shape your fears, choices, relationships, quietly influencing your life from the shadows. Number 8. Ever had a day where everything felt annoying, even stuff that usually doesn't bother you? That's your brain projecting your internal state onto the outside world. If you're angry or anxious, your brain looks for proof that the world is just as bad. It colors your perception like a filter on a lens. Same room, same people, but suddenly it all feels wrong. Not because they changed, but because you did.